Good morning. My name is Jim Lahan, Operations Officer with the Florida State Watch Office, and this is the Florida State Watch Office Daily Situation Report for Tuesday, February 3rd, 2009.
The State Emergency Operations Center is currently at a level 2 or partial activation status due to a significant winter storm that brought widespread freezing rain and snow through the entire state of Kentucky last week. The state of Florida has mobilized assets to provide assistance using the Emergency Management Assistance Compact requests from Kentucky and other states. Flash reports on Florida's response to the winter storms will be posted at www.floridadisaster.org/EOC. Currently, the State Watch Office is monitoring the following in Florida. Nuclear power plant reactors at Turkey Point, Port St. Lucie, and Farley are all at 100% capacity. The reactor at Crystal River was last reported to be at 57% and building. No major power outages have been reported. All airports are open and at normal operation. All seaports are open and functioning normally. All major highways in the state are open, and any lane closures should be open within 12 hours. No public health advisories have been issued for the state. There have been no confirmed or suspected attacks on major computer networks. And finally, no known border security or migrant issues have been reported. And now to meteorology for the weather brief.
Thanks, Jim. Isolated showers near a cold front associated with the low pressure area that moved across the state on Monday should exit off the southeast Florida coast later this morning, with clearing conditions expected statewide by this afternoon as high pressure moves into the region. High pressure will also bring breezy northwest winds and a cooler and drier air mass into the state, with sustained winds of 10 to 15 miles an hour expected statewide today and a lake wind advisory in effect for coastal northeast Florida. The dry air and breezy conditions will increase the risk of wildfires today, and red flag warnings are in effect for all of North Florida and much of Central Florida north of Lake Okeechobee for expected long durations of low humidity values and high dispersion indices this afternoon. The dry air will spread south on Wednesday, and fire weather watches are in effect for the entire Florida mainland for expected red flag conditions on Wednesday afternoon. A secondary cold front will move into the state tonight, ushering an even colder air mass into the state. This second front will have very little moisture to work with, so only a slight increase in cloud cover is expected. Even though winds will remain elevated around 7 to 17 miles an hour tonight, temperatures will fall below freezing across North Florida areas away from the immediate coast, and a freeze warning is in effect for northeast Florida, with a freeze watch in effect for the Nature Coast. Overnight lows across Central and South Florida areas will remain above freezing. However, wind chill values early Wednesday morning could approach the freezing mark, and wind chill advisories could be issued for portions of the state later today. Wind chill values in the teens and low 20s are also expected across North Florida areas late tonight into early Wednesday morning. The Keach-Byram Drought Index average for the state of Florida is 507 on a scale of 0 to 800. Even though KBDI values may decrease slightly from recent rainfall, values should quickly rise again through the week, as the next chance of rainfall is not expected until the middle of next week. Also, drier air moving into the region through Thursday will also increase the risk of wildfires through the week.
With cold temperatures expected tonight and into tomorrow morning, residents are encouraged to use the 5 P's of cold weather safety. Protect people, plants, pipes, pets, and practice fire safety.
That's all we have for today. This has been the Florida State Watch Office Daily Situation Report for Tuesday, February 3rd, 2009. Have a safe day.